Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a complete walkthrough of Brandwatch, which is a cutting edge platform designed to help you manage your brand's online presence, track consumer trends, and run influencer campaigns all in one place. So, whether you're a digital marketer, agency owner, or just trying to level up your social strategy, Brandwatch is a powerful solution that combines AI analytics and automation to help you stay ahead. So, first, the question that arises in mind is what is Brandwatch and dashboard overview? So basically, Brandwatch is more than a social media tool. It's a complete digital listening and engagement suite. Once you log into Brandwatch, you'll land on the main dashboard. So here you can access numerous stuff. So first of all, I'll show you how you can create an account. So you're going to simply click on get started and you will be redirected to an interface like this. So you're going to simply type down your email address over here and click on get a demo. But it would say that please enter a business email address. That means you must have a business domain or business email address in order to create an account on it. So make sure to simply type down your business address. If you don't have one or if you're not assigned any, you can contact your business in order to assign you one. So I'll show you what you can access in Brandwatch. So the first important thing is consumer intelligence. So basically, consumer intelligence is for real-time data and trend analysis, and you can use that. You can also get access to social media management to plan, schedule, and publish content. You can also get influencer marketing suite to find and manage creators, plus live alerts, audience insights, and customizable reports. So, this dashboard gives you a bird's eye view of your online footprint, how people are interacting with your content, and what they're saying about your brand and how your marketing campaigns are performing. So, now let's take a look at consumer intelligence deep dive. So, let's start with the consumer intelligence module. So, this section will give you access to real time data from over 100 million online sources, including Twitter, TikTok. Twitter is also known as X right now, Reddit, forums, and news sites, as well as customer reviews. Just type in a keyword or brand name, and Brandwatch instantly pulls in conversations related to that topic. But it doesn't stop there. Using AI called Iris, so this is a very good AI for this Iris AI. Let me just search for it and show you. So this is basically a very good AI, and the platform identifies patterns and clusters. So you can discover trending topics, uncover audience sentiments, and also spot PR risks before they explode. So you can see which keywords are gaining momentum. Example, if you can search for example, you can simply search for anyone over here. You can click on get started, give your first name, last name, work email, job title, company name, phone number, and then you can simply head over, give them any title or any keyword, and it will show a surge in conversations about the topic that you have provided them. You also get audience segmentation. You can break down your mentions into categories like product feedback, complaints, brand praise, competitor analysis, and then there's a trend analysis dashboard, which automatically visualizes spikes, anomalies, and conversation volume over time. So you can filter by geography, language, platform, or sentiments. Next, let's talk about we have social media management, the tool set that amplifies and simplifies how you create, schedule, and measure your content strategy. So over here we have the content calendar of Brandwatch. So let us just search for content calendar Brandwatch. So basically, it is a really good tool, and through it, what you can do is that you can plan your posts across TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. You can add images, hashtags, and captions. You can set approvals, workflows with your team, view analytics like post engagements, and click through rates. Each post entry shows metadata like publishing status, performance, assigned team member, and more. So you can use content tags to group campaigns, for example, a holiday promo, product launch, or brand awareness. Then there's the Smart Inbox, which is a centralized hub that brings together all your DMs, mentions, and comments across channels. And from here, you can reply instantly, assign tickets to team members, create canned responses, and track previous interactions through audience cards. And yes, you can even set automation rules to flag priority messages, auto respond during off hours, or route support queries. Next, let's talk about the influencer marketing suite and creator matching. So, we can dive into one of the Brandwatch standout features, that is influencer marketing. So, finding the right influencer can make or break a campaign. With Brandwatch, you can easily search and filter creators based on demographics like their gender, age, group, and region. You can also filter them on the basis of audience interests, such as fitness, gaming, fashion, etc. And also, you can filter them on engagement rate and follower count, platform, and content style. So, if you're looking to market skincare to Generation Z females in the US, you can filter down to micro influencers on TikTok who have 80% female followers and a high comment rate. You'll get a profile preview for each creator that shows their reach, audience breakdown, and past collaboration stats. You can add them to your directory, manage outreach and contracts, track campaign performance, store all communication in one place. Brandwatch also includes automated UGC tracking, so when influencers post their content is automatically flagged and saved for analytics or repurposing. So there is a bonus tip that you can use this to create case studies, report ROI, and reshare content on your brand's main feed. Now, there is also another very important report, that is customer reports, alerts, and team collaboration. So, this is a very standout feature of live reports and alerts. You can build interactive dashboards to share with clients, executives, or internal teams. These reports update in real time and can include charts, sentiment graphs, mention volume, top influencers, and campaign KPIs. You can even set up custom alerts to notify you of, such as brand crisis mentions, viral content trends, keyword spikes, negative reviews. Plus, you can also build a brand watch for collaboration. You can assign user roles, add notes, create team workflows, and integrate with Slack or Microsoft Teams. So it's all designed to make data accessible and actionable, whether you're a solo creator or a global enterprise. So you can simply head over to Brandwatch, like you can simply click on the link given in the description below and you'll get an access to it, and you can explore a free demo, so you can book a live consultation and choose a plan tailored to your needs. From brands and agencies, you can try the full suite. For data teams, you can focus on consumer intelligence. For marketers and creators, you can use social and influencer tools. So pricing varies according to your organization sizes and features you need, but it's scalable and they offer enterprise packages as well. Like we have the consumer intelligence one, social media management, and influencer marketing. So you can simply head over and choose a plan that best aligned with your needs. So, Brandwatch is an incredibly powerful toolkit that helps you listen smarter, plan better, and connect deeper with your audience. So, if you're serious about dominated digital marketing in 2025, it's a platform you'll want in your stack. So, that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.